Welcome back, Filmholics. My name is Kyle Carrick, but in this channel I find anything and everything filmmaking. So today what we're going to be talking about is a Sigma 16mm lens that is an f1.4. So let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Vlogging. It's now one of the most popular things to ever do on YouTube. And you're watching me on the lens right now. It's attached and it's amazing. It is considered the vlogger's king lens. It's just the king of it all. As for what this lens can do, it is a 16mm and it also has an f1.4, which gives you that whole wide field of view behind me. If I use my ND filter right now, you could see it all like that. And you can see the natural depth of field that it gives. Also how it gives you the vlogger look that everyone's going for if you're vlogging or any content creation. I'm gonna take this off. There's nobody around me for over 6 feet, over 100 feet, yeah. So let's do a couple tests by doing a couple laps around my apartment complex and we'll see how that looks. Let me put that, there we go. So let me go into shade. And as you can tell, there's no in-body stabilization. And that's sad and all because, you know, most Sony lenses have them, but since it's Sigma, it does not have that. So you're gonna get some of that rattle. I will now try to do it without any wobble. So I'll try to be as steady as possible in this lap. And as you can see, there's still a lot of wobble, but you could easily fix that in post. Extend your arm a little bit more and stabilize the footage so that when it crops in, you know, you're fine. But you can easily stabilize it in post. In the same time, you still get this amazing wide field of view. I'm going back into the shade so you can actually see my face like this. And that's the end of the stabilization test. Heading back inside now because you saw what you needed to see during this vlog, and well, I don't want to make it too long for you guys, so let's just end it with some awkward silence in the elevator. I'm kidding. Now, let's go back to the studio. Now that you guys have seen its vlogging capabilities, let's go ahead and talk about the talking head view. So the biggest pitfall about using this lens in a talking head view like this is that it gives you slimmer features than a 35 or 50 or 85mm lens. But you get a wider field of view in the back. And because of that wider field of view in the back, it gives you a better YouTube look. So it has that whole like, look at what's in the background, look at the aesthetic, look at just the lifestyle of somebody giving something in content wise. So if you're trying to get this type of look, then yeah, unless you have a very slim face like me where it kind of hides the jawline, because it does block the jawline. It doesn't show you that well due to the fact that, well, it's not a 50mm. A 50mm is equivalent to what our usual eyes see. So if you want to get more realistic features of your face, then I would stick with something else. But if you want that whole YouTube look, that YouTube lifestyle look like this, then I would go for this lens. So let's go back and change it back to how it used to look with my A7S III. I always forget the 3, I always say 2 instead. But let's go back to that. So the last thing I want to mention about this lens is I think it's still the vlogger's king lens. It's just a staple if you're vlogging. It's an amazing lens for anything involving just content creation in general too. You can make so much with it. So if you guys want to check that out, there's going to be a link down below. It's an affiliate link at no extra cost to you guys. Just go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think. If you guys buy it, it helps out the channel a little bit, but that's that. So let's go to the comments. So there's only going to be 2 comments today. First one's going to be from music for YouTube videos. No copyright, I'm assuming. It is C70 looks good. During the comments I asked, what did you guys think about the Canon C70, and I guess it looks good to this guy. I absolutely just love that camera. I'm still obsessing over that camera, but I can't afford it. So let's go ahead and get to the next comment. The most recent one is gonna be from Teddy Bear. That's not really how they spelled it. It looks like a funny teddy bear, as you guys can see. But they said, great video. Did you use the 1/4? It's a Black Promise. I use the 1/4 just because it is an amazing, like it's more cinematic. It's not as fashion worthy, but it's more cinematic if you're doing that, and that's why I like it a little bit more. And that's all the comments today. That was a really fast comment section. Let me close this. Now, if you guys want more gear reviews, go ahead and comment that down below. Just let me know what you guys want me to review. Also, if you guys like my reviews, go ahead and check out this playlist right over here. And don't forget to like and subscribe and dream on.